In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make part 3, the hitch magnet for the toy train. So let's get started. You can see I have my project open. Now there's two different ways that you can do this. There's an easy way and then there's the other way, which is I think it's just easy. So I'm going to actually show you both ways on how to make this hitch magnet. As I did before, I'm going to go insert canvas. This is something you do not have to do again. Okay, I'm just going to bring it in so you can see the numbers. I'm going to put on this sketch. I'm going to look at my sketch. We're going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. And I'm going to slide it over here so it's not going to be in my way. Actually, we'll put it up a little higher. Okay. So now let's get started. As normal, we're going to open a sketch. Now, probably the easiest way, if I look at this, I can see this is a round object. And I have two diameters. 0.25 is the inside and 0.45 is the outside. So I could easily come over here real quick. And I could draw a circle and I can make that 0.45. And then I can zoom back in and I can make another circle on the inside here. 0.25. Boom. I could finish that sketch, go to my isometric view, and if I wanted to, I could extrude just that outer circle. And it tells me 0.25, that's how tall it is. So I could type that in. That's one way I could do that. Okay, but if you notice in the sketch, it's not orientated the same way. So I'm going to orientate my part the same way as this sketch is. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to take and I'm going to delete out that one and I'm going to delete out my sketch. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go up here and just make another new sketch. I'm going to come and I'm going to make a line. And we're just going to bring that line straight up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangle. And we're going to get some dimensions in. So the height of my little piece right here, if I go dimension, that little height we know is going to be 0.25. Okay. Next, I have two dimensions. The outer one is 0.45 and the inner one is also 0.25. So let's dimension those. We'll go from the center to that outside edge. That's going to be 0.45. I'm going to go from the inside to that one, and that's going to be 0.25. Now, when I'm looking at this, I got to remember, so this is going to be, I'm going to change some dimensions. Those are the numbers here. Those are diameters, but actually, if I'm doing a revolve, I only need half of those. So that 0.45, I'm going to divide by 2. And that 0.25, I'm going to do the same thing, 0.25 divided by 2. Now I'm going to finish my sketch. Now I'm going to do my revolve. And my axis, let me pick a revolve. My axis will be that line I put in there. And that is another way to make that hitch peg or hitch magnet. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and hopefully you subscribe to my channel.